Hello everyone, this is Shresh from SkyMom, and today I am going to explain you about how to set the site plan. Okay, so now whenever you are doing the corporation plans, you will be scaling up the original site by 5. Okay, you will be scaling it up to 5 times smaller. Okay, so like for example here what I am going to do is I am going to take a rectangle of 30 by 40. Okay, so now whenever I am going to measure this, it will be coming as 30 and 40, isn't it? So this is as 40 and this is as 30. Okay, but now whenever I am going to create a site plan, okay, you will be knowing that you will be giving the scale as 1:500. You will be scaling up the site plan by 5. Okay, you'll be making it 5 times smaller. Now here what I'll do is I will copy this side, okay, and I will scale it. So shortcut for scale is SC, enter. So I'll select this, enter. I'll select the base point and I'll make it as 1 divided by 5. So it becomes 5 times smaller. So now you can see the scale is being showing as 6 by 8, isn't it? So here if I will edit the text, whenever you are giving the file for the corporation, they will be easily able to know that there is a mistake over here. So if there is a small mistake also, they will reject your plan. Okay, so here is what I am going to do is I am going to do some dimension setup over here. Okay, so what I will do is again here I will go to dimension setting. Here I am not going to modify the existing one, I am going to create a new one. So here just click on new and give the name as site plan. Okay, click on continue. Everything rest all the setting is going to be the same. Here I will go to primary units. In primary unit option of scale factor. Okay, so here I will give the scale factor as 5, means it should be multiplied by 5. Okay, it is not going to be applied to all the dimensions. Okay, so just click on OK, set current and click on close. Okay, so once you set it, here what I am going to do is I am going to text which I am going to change. Okay, so next after you change this, here go to annotate. Okay, so now here in dimension panel the default one is ISO 25, so that is being set over here. So what I'll do is I'll select it as style site plan. So now you can see here it is being showing as 30 by 40. Okay, so your original is also 30 by 40 and here this is also 30 by 40. Okay, so if you modify the same one, then what will happen is these values also will get multiplied by 5. Okay, so what you're going to do is here you're going to set a new one itself, and here after setting come to annotate. In dimension tab, here you're going to select the dimension text and you're going to set it as site plan. Okay, but by default whenever you're working it should be ISO 25 itself. Okay, so this is how you will be setting your site plan. Okay, thank you. To subscribe you can